In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now scroll to pick any of those themes. Click on the best one for you and manage key borders thanks to this switcher. When you're ready, hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, the theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it, go back to the same settings and select this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!